Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 6, 2025, about 2 weeks ago. The standout is an end-to-end approach that folds a whole multi-agent system into a single model, then uses multi-agent distillation and agentic reinforcement learning to reach new state-of-the-art results with far fewer tokens at inference. The paper is titled, Chain of Agents, End-to-End Agent Foundation Models via Multi-Agent Distillation and Agentic RL. And as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, one model coordinates roles and tools, learns from expert traces, and then improves with verifiable rewards. Alright, this first figure stacks 4 bars charts side by side, comparing average scores on GAIA, BrowseComp, HLE, and AIME25. The green bars mark the Agent Foundation model, which leads each panel, roughly 55.3 on GAIA, 11.1 on BrowseComp, 18.0 on HLE, and 59.8 on AIME25. Building on that, competing tool integrated systems trail by several points across all 4 benchmarks, highlighting consistent gains. Next, this schematic contrasts 2 workflows. The top strip shows tool-integrated reasoning as a single linear think, act, observe loop, while the bottom strip depicts chain of agents with dynamic role switches. The top emphasizes a fixed order of thinking, searching, crawling, coding, then answering. The bottom highlights flexible orchestration, where planning, reflection, verification, and tool calls interleave with multiple thinking steps, preserving a shared state and allowing the model to adapt the sequence as the task evolves. Now this table compares 4 paradigms across 4 capabilities: tool integration, end-to-end execution, multi-agent collaboration, and data-centric optimization. The checkmarks show that only chain of agents hits all 4, while tool-integrated reasoning misses collaboration, and classic multi-agent systems lack end-to-end execution and data-centric training. React integrates tools but falls short on the other 3. The contrast reinforces why folding orchestration into one model enables both collaboration and direct learning from data. Moving to this table, we see head-to-head results across GAIA, WebWalker, BrowseComp, and HLE, all reported as pass at 1. Focus on the bottom block, where the Agent Foundation model with reinforcement learning tops the 32B group, 55.3 on GAIA average, 63.0 on WebWalker, 11.1 on BrowseComp, and 18.0 on HLE. Building on the earlier figures, the supervised version trails slightly, while prior tool-integrated systems and agent frameworks sit several points lower. Building on those results, 2 takeaways stand out. Folding orchestration into one model delivers both higher accuracy and far fewer tokens, and pairing multi-agent distillation with agentic reinforcement learning reliably boosts strategy beyond supervised training alone. The open release invites rapid replication and extension. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.